Afternoon, Tyrell.
Yep.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
So you gave VOT exam today, isn't it?
Yep, I took the VORT exam today.
How many attempts did you give with VOT?
It was my first attempt and I passed, yeah, on my first attempt.
So how many lessons did you go with Pawnee at KAR Skillz?
With KAR Skillz, I went for about, I would say, less than a month.
Yeah.
I did have like 1 or 2 lessons, maybe like a month ago, but then I had, I just did it for like 1 or 2 weeks, and yep, it helped me reach a level of competence where I was able to pass my VORT.
So overall 5 to 6 lessons, can you say?
Yeah, I would say about 4, 5 or 6 lessons. Yeah.
So how many instructors you had before him?
I actually had, I believe I had 3 instructors before, and yeah, I just settled with KAR Skillz because the instructor I found was much better and helped me, just helped me improve, and yeah.
You found him strict?
Yep, it was
but still you
strict, but yeah, I like that that teaching style because it really helped me. It helped push me and it helped me really improve my driving.
Yeah. Earlier you were doubtful to choose CBTA or VOT,
yeah.
But then how did he help you?
Yeah, so in terms of like confidence boosting, definitely helped with that, and yeah, obviously I was very anxious. I didn't know if I wanted to do the VORT because I felt like I wasn't prepared, but it didn't really matter because like with this with my instructor, he helped me with everything I needed help with, and yeah, I was able to pass anyway.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you're moving interstate, so this is a big achievement for you, isn't it?
Yep, it is.
And you are a medical science student?
Yeah. Are we studying medicine? Yeah, this year.
And how will license help you in interstate?
Definitely, it will help me, especially when when I go on my placements in my my 4th and 5th year of medicine, and also when I have when I do my residency and internship as well. So definitely, having a license will help me get to places easier and quicker. Yeah.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you.
And best luck for your future. Drive safe.
Thank you.